Hey up guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and look at this little sports bike. It is a Fireblade from Honda, or a CBR1000RR. This one, 2011 on a 60 plate, 13,566 miles it's done. It's got a cracking little carbon aftermarket exhaust there as well. Bit of R&G protection. Yeah, tail tidy, the usual things you'd like. A little bit of the old Motografix kit on the front there as well. Gorgeous bike, super powerful, really light. Go like the clappers and sounds mega. We'll give it a start up in a second. This one's also got a little grab rail on just for the rear passenger, if you've got one on there, just to give them a better extra feel. Right, let's give it a start up. You might notice we've just stuck a couple of new boots on there, so it looks as good as a brand new bike. Anyway guys, you've seen this little beauty. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.